For homeowners seeking window replacement, Metairie, Louisiana, energy-efficient windows are a smart upgrade that improves comfort, lowers utility costs, and boosts curb appeal across Jefferson Parish and Greater New Orleans. Residential window replacement with vinyl replacement windows, double-pane windows, or triple-pane windows can help reduce heat gain, block drafts, and support better indoor temperature control in Louisiana's humid climate. Metairie, Louisiana energy-efficient window installation is especially valuable for homes near busy corridors where soundproof windows and sealed frames can improve daily comfort. Choosing replacement windows for homes with modern glazing and quality insulation creates long-term value while supporting lower maintenance and stronger performance. Metairie, Louisiana hurricane impact windows and hurricane-resistant windows are essential for protection during severe weather, making them a practical choice for coastal homeowners who want peace of mind. Storm-resistant windows, impact-resistant windows, and residential glass replacement options help defend against debris, wind pressure, and damage. Metairie, Louisiana storm-resistant windows also support better security year-round, while window sealing and insulation improve efficiency during hot summers and cooler winter nights. For homeowners comparing options, Metairie, LA hurricane impact windows and Metairie, Louisiana licensed window replacement contractor services offer dependable installation backed by local knowledge of weather demands and building needs. Home window replacement often starts with old window removal, window frame replacement, and careful measurement to ensure a precise fit. Homeowners planning window replacement Metairie, Louisiana projects often rely on custom measurements and professional installation to improve structure and long-term performance. When frames are damaged or inefficient, Metairie, LA window frame and replacement services can restore structure and performance without unnecessary disruption. Window retrofit services are ideal for homes needing an upgrade without a full rebuild, while custom window replacement provides tailored solutions for unique openings and architectural styles. Metairie, Louisiana local window installation company teams can handle house window installation, replacement window contractors, and residential glass services with attention to clean finishes, proper alignment, and long-lasting results. Sliding windows, casement windows, bay window replacement, and picture window installation each bring distinct benefits for Metairie homes. Metairie, Louisiana sliding window replacement is popular for easy operation and space-saving design, while Metairie, Louisiana casement window installation offers strong ventilation and a tight seal for improved efficiency. Metairie, Louisiana bay and bow window replacement adds natural light and visual depth, and French door windows create elegant transitions to patios and outdoor living spaces. For homeowners looking to customize style and function, Metairie, LA custom replacement windows can match traditional or modern designs while enhancing the home's overall appearance and resale value. Drafty window is often a cost-effective solution for homes experiencing air leaks, humidity intrusion, or rising energy bills. Metairie, Louisiana drafty window solutions may include window sealing and insulation, glass replacement, or full residential window replacement depending on the severity of the issue. Metairie, Louisiana window glass replacement service can restore clarity and performance when panes are cracked, fogged, or outdated. For localized issues, residential glass replacement and house window contractors can address problem areas quickly. Window replacement near Metairie, Louisiana should always focus on proper sealing, durable materials, and installation methods that reduce drafts and improve overall indoor comfort. Metairie, Louisiana vinyl window replacement remains one of the most requested upgrades because vinyl frames are durable, low maintenance, and efficient in the Gulf South climate. Metairie, Louisiana double-pane window installation helps reduce noise and improve thermal performance, while triple-pane windows offer even greater insulation for homeowners prioritizing comfort and energy savings. Home window replacement with vinyl replacement windows can also support better moisture resistance, which matters in humid southeast Louisiana conditions. For homeowners comparing options, Metairie, LA affordable window replacement can still deliver high quality when handled by a skilled Metairie, Louisiana house window contractors team familiar with local codes and best practices. New construction windows are ideal for additions, remodels, and complete home builds, offering a clean installation process and flexible design options. House window installation for new construction projects can include sliding windows, casement windows, and picture window installation to complement any floor plan. In Metairie, Louisiana home window replacement projects, choosing between retrofit and full-frame installation depends on the condition of the existing opening and the homeowner's goals. Metairie, Louisiana replacement windows for homes should be selected with performance, style, and long-term durability in mind, especially when paired with professional old window removal and precision fitting by experienced installers. Metairie, Louisiana patio window replacement is a strong choice for homeowners wanting easier access to outdoor areas and more natural light in living spaces. French door windows and large glass openings can transform a room, while Metairie, Louisiana sliding window replacement and picture window installation offer practical ways to brighten interiors. Greater New Orleans window installers understand how to balance style with weather resistance, ventilation, and thermal control. Whether the goal is a brighter kitchen, a more open den, or a better connection to the backyard, custom window replacement can be tailored to fit both modern and traditional homes throughout Metairie, Louisiana. Replacement window contractors serving Jefferson Parish window replacement projects should provide accurate estimates, professional guidance, and dependable craftsmanship from start to finish. Metairie, Louisiana residential window installers can recommend the best combination of energy-efficient windows, impact-resistant windows, and soundproof windows based on exposure, layout, and budget. Metairie, Louisiana house window contractors also help homeowners choose between window retrofit services and full window frame replacement for maximum value. From Metairie, Louisiana local window installation company support to Metairie, Louisiana residential glass services, the right team ensures every window replacement Metairie, Louisiana project delivers better performance, improved curb appeal, and lasting satisfaction. Metairie, Louisiana residential window installers provide residential window replacement and home window replacement for homeowners seeking better comfort, curb appeal, and performance. Window replacement. Metairie, Louisiana services often include energy-efficient windows, vinyl replacement windows, double-pane windows, and triple-pane windows designed for the Louisiana climate. Metairie, Louisiana home window replacement can also include custom window replacement, window frame replacement, window glass replacement, and window sealing and insulation for long-lasting results. For homeowners near Jefferson Parish, Greater New Orleans window installers deliver replacement windows for homes that improve efficiency and reduce drafts. Metairie, Louisiana energy-efficient window installation helps lower utility costs while improving indoor temperature control year-round. Metairie, Louisiana vinyl window replacement, Metairie, LA double-pane window installation, and Metairie, Louisiana hurricane impact windows are popular choices for storm season and everyday durability. Metairie, Louisiana storm-resistant windows and Metairie, Louisiana hurricane-resistant windows are ideal for local weather conditions, while soundproof windows can help reduce outside noise from busy streets and neighborhoods. Energy-efficient windows, triple-pane windows, and drafty window solutions are often paired with window retrofit services for older homes needing upgraded performance without full reconstruction. Metairie, Louisiana house window contractors handle house window installation, old window removal, and new construction windows for remodels and additions. Whether the project calls for sliding windows, casement windows, bay window replacement, picture window installation, or French door windows, a licensed team can manage the details from start to finish. Metairie, Louisiana local window installation company services often include replacement window contractors who specialize in Metairie, Louisiana patio window replacement, Metairie, LA sliding window replacement, and Metairie, Louisiana casement window installation. Metairie, Louisiana custom replacement windows are also available for unique openings and architectural styles. Metairie, Louisiana window frame and replacement is essential when damaged frames lead to air leaks, water intrusion, or operational issues. Metairie, Louisiana drafty window solutions, window glass replacement service, and residential glass services help restore comfort and safety quickly. Metairie, Louisiana residential glass services can also support residential glass replacement for cracked, fogged, or broken panes. Homeowners looking for Metairie, Louisiana affordable window replacement often choose a combination of window glass replacement and frame repair instead of full replacement, especially when the structure is still sound. Window replacement near Metairie, Louisiana should be handled by a Metairie, Louisiana licensed window replacement contractor who understands local building needs and installation standards. Metairie, Louisiana replacement windows for homes can include Metairie, Louisiana bay and bow window replacement, Metairie LA patio window replacement, and Metairie, Louisiana house window contractors for full-service upgrades. Metairie, Louisiana residential glass services, Metairie LA window glass replacement service, and Metairie, Louisiana local window installation company support homeowners throughout the process. From window replacement Metairie, Louisiana to Jefferson Parish window replacement, the right contractor delivers precision, protection, and value with trusted window replacement Metairie, Louisiana solutions.